Hi, my name is Daniel Arzate. I am the owner, president, and CEO of Dansel Restoration. Our company is located here in the city of Fremont. Here at Dansel Restorations, we specialize in helping homeowners and also business owners with the residential commercial space with the following services. We do water damage, fire damage, we do sewage cleanup, and we do mold remediation. And finally, we do reconstruction services to help homeowners or business owners get back to normal as soon as possible. Our company was established on 2019. It started with myself working, doing all the remediation, doing all the work, pretty much doing everything that it was necessary for the company to grow. We quickly added an employee. Today, 6 years later, we actually have about 30 employees working. We're growing very rapidly, and we're actually looking to expand to a new location on the next very short coming year. So we recently had a call to Los Altos. This customer just recently got married. She went on her honeymoon. She came back a few days later, and she actually found out that their whole ceiling was pretty much collapsed. And she quickly called her insurance. We came in right away. We were able to handle the situation right away. We were able to clean up and also start drying right away. We removed the material that pretty much was no way to salvage it. And because we do reconstruction services, we got the customer back on her property. She actually gonna go back to normal this week. We're just doing the final touches so we can put the furniture back. Here at our company, we specialize not only to get the best results for our customer, but also provide the best tools. For example, our equipment, we are very conscious about energy efficiency. And also, after a mold remediation, we want to make sure that we provide to the customers alternatives. For example, antimicrobials, they're eco-friendly, green, they're are harmful for you and your family or pets. So we are very committed to not only provide the best tools, but also the best solutions for our customers. Our company mission is to restore your peace of mind and get you back to normal as soon as possible. We can help you with all the paperwork with the insurance. We service the entire Bay Area. Give us a call. We will treat you like family.